Welcome to Money Minds. Have you ever wondered how top investors make their investment decisions and how much profit you could reap by following their strategies? A question that often nags at the back of our minds, isn't it? Well, one strategy that's gaining popularity is emulating the investment choices of those who've made it big. It's like piggybacking on their financial acumen, their foresight. Why not? They've got a track record of success, right? Now let's talk about 3 stocks that seem to be enjoying the favor of these financial heavyweights. First up, we have Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth that has fundamentally changed how we shop. Then there's Microsoft, the tech titan that has been a steady performer for decades. And finally, we have General Motors, the automotive giant that's making significant strides in autonomous vehicles. These companies are not just industry leaders, but they're also being heavily loaded by top investors. But why? What makes these stocks stand out in their portfolios? Let's dive deeper into these 3 stocks and understand why they are being heavily loaded by top investors. First on the list is Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth that has consistently shown its potential for growth. This titan of e-commerce has carved out an empire that spans across continents, serving millions of customers each day with a vast array of products, digital services, and cloud solutions. Amazon's dominance in the e-commerce sector is unquestionable, boasting a market share that leaves many of its competitors trailing in its wake. It's a business model that has proven to be both scalable and sustainable, with the company's growth showing no signs of slowing down. But Amazon isn't just a one-trick pony, it's also a major player in the cloud services sector, thanks to its Amazon Web Services arm. AWS has become an essential part of the digital infrastructure that powers countless businesses around the globe. As more and more companies migrate their operations to the cloud, Amazon's position in this sector is only set to strengthen. And let's not forget Amazon's foray into artificial intelligence. The company's AI initiatives, such as Alexa and Amazon Go, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of machine learning and automation. These innovations are not only transforming the way we shop and interact with technology, but they're also opening up new avenues for growth, further solidifying Amazon's future prospects. With these factors in mind, it's easy to see why Amazon's performance has been so strong. The company's robust business model, coupled with its dominance in key growth sectors and its innovative spirit, paints a promising picture for its future. But don't just take our word for it. Financial institutions such as RBC Capital and Wedbush Capital, along with a host of billionaire investors, are actively buying up Amazon shares, signaling their confidence in the company's growth prospects. With such promising prospects, it's no wonder top investors are loading up on Amazon shares. Next, we have Microsoft, a tech giant that has been making significant strides in cloud services. This behemoth of a company has been a staple in the tech industry for decades, but it's their recent focus on cloud services that has investors buzzing. Microsoft's cloud service, known as Azure, has proven to be a significant player in the market. It's going toe-to-toe with other heavyweights like Amazon's AWS and Google's cloud. But what sets Microsoft apart? Well, their extensive enterprise customer base and comprehensive suite of cloud services have allowed them to carve out a substantial chunk of the cloud market. Moreover, Microsoft has been posting impressive numbers. Their intelligent cloud segment, which houses Azure, has seen a steady increase in revenue growth year over year. In fact, in the last fiscal year, it accounted for nearly 1/3 of the company's total revenue, highlighting the growing importance of cloud services to Microsoft's overall business strategy. But it's not just about the numbers. Microsoft's commitment to innovation is also worth noting. The company is consistently investing in new technologies and partnerships to further bolster its cloud capabilities. This includes everything from machine learning and artificial intelligence to quantum computing and edge computing. These investments show a forward-thinking approach that is likely to keep Microsoft at the forefront of the cloud services market for years to come. The future looks bright for Microsoft. Analysts from financial institutions like RBC Capital and Wedbush Capital have a positive outlook on the company's growth prospects, particularly in the area of cloud services. This optimism is echoed by billionaire investors who have been actively buying up shares of Microsoft. Given these factors, it's clear to see why top investors are keen on Microsoft. Last but not least, we have General Motors, a traditional automotive company that is innovating its way into the future. Picture a company with a rich history, a stalwart of the American automotive industry, now steering its course toward a future brimming with potential. That's General Motors for you. While its roots are deeply entrenched in the traditional automotive landscape, it's the company's forward-thinking initiatives that are painting a promising picture of growth and innovation. A key area where General Motors is driving change is in the realm of autonomous vehicles. The company is not merely dipping its toes in the water, but is making significant strides in this direction. General Motors' commitment to self-driving technology is not just about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about redefining the very fabric of mobility, about making the science fiction of yesterday the reality of today and tomorrow. The company's pursuit of autonomous technology is closely tied to its commitment to electric vehicles. General Motors is not just talking the talk, but walking the walk, with plans to launch an impressive array of electric vehicles by 2035. This isn't just about meeting regulatory standards or marketing hype. It's about recognizing the future of the automotive industry and striving to be at its forefront. The potential for disruption here is immense. If General Motors can successfully navigate the waters of autonomous and electric vehicles, it could redefine its role in the automotive industry, transitioning from a traditional manufacturer to a leading innovator. This is not just about cars, it's about mobility, about a vision for a cleaner, more efficient and more connected world. But, as we all know, potential is one thing, realizing it is another. So far, General Motors appears to be on the right track, with positive performance indicators and a clear strategic vision for the future. The company's forward-thinking approach and potential for growth have certainly not gone unnoticed by the market. With such a forward-looking approach, it's not surprising that General Motors has caught the attention of top investors. Now that we've looked at each of these stocks in detail, let's summarize what we've learned. We started our journey into the world of investment with the million-dollar question. Should we follow the investment strategies of top investors and financial institutions? And as we delved deeper, we found some compelling evidence to support this notion. Our first stop was the e-commerce colossus, Amazon. A favorite of top investors, this behemoth has transformed the way we shop and interact with the online marketplace. Amazon's continual growth and expansion into diverse sectors such as AI and cloud services make it a strong contender for any investment portfolio. Next, we turned our attention to Microsoft, a pioneer in the world of cloud services. The company's ability to navigate and lead in this high-growth sector has caught the eye of numerous financial institutions and billionaire investors. With a positive outlook on its growth prospects, Microsoft continues to make waves in the tech industry. Our final destination was the automotive innovator, General Motors. GM's commitment to the development of autonomous vehicles has placed it squarely in the sights of many a discerning investor. As the company continues to forge ahead in this exciting new frontier, it shows promising potential for growth. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, these three stocks, Amazon, Microsoft and General Motors, are favored by top investors for a reason. Their innovative approaches and growth prospects in burgeoning sectors make them worthy of consideration. Remember, following top investors can be a smart strategy, but always do your own research to tailor your investment decisions to your financial goals. Alright folks, that's all for today's video on top investors' stock picks. We've traveled together through the intricacies of the investment world and hopefully you found some valuable insights along the way. We want to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us on this journey. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video helpful and want to continue learning about the world of investment, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly post videos packed with investment tips and insights just for you. And remember, while following the strategies of top investors can be a smart move, it's crucial to conduct your own research and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Investing is a personal journey, and what works for one may not work for everyone. So, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay invested. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. Happy investing!